on, Junior. Look, Junior. Look. Look.
Wow, cool.
Look, there's a vampire one and a Frankenstein one.
No, I got that.
The costume section. Ooh. Look at all these costume ideas.
Oh, wow. Cool. Whoa. Just shy.
Ooh, armor?
Yeah. Whoa.
You okay?
Wow, cool. Yeah. Ah.
Ooh.
Mommy.
Yeah?
Chair. Ah.
Yeah.
Mommy.
Yes.
Can.
It's a hand. Look. Mad. Why are you mad?
Oh.
It's a nice outfit.
You want to take it off? But you're a ghost. You're not a ghost? To my channel, it's your girl Jeanette Amabile. So during this week on Tuesday I had some appointments and my mom saw a new Dollar Tree and she said the neighbor Yaya was telling her that it's bomb, that she needs to go check it out, que está muy surtido y todo esa madre. So we stopped at Dollar Tree. I bought a few stuff. I bought like literally like 4 stuff, but my sister got the kids a couple of other little items that were Halloween and fall. Well, really mostly Halloween themed. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys what they were or what I got. Cause when it comes to Dollar Tree, I like get a lot of stuff and then like in the little lonely corner, I'll be like going through all my stuff and counting how much I got, and then I'll like take out some stuff to like kind of like half the price because most of the time I just want it because it's there and it's $1. But $1, $1 always adds up, and then you're at the cash register paying like $100 for like most stuff that is just cute, but you want it and it's $1. But yeah, this for sure I needed. I needed some containers that, first of all, I wouldn't feel ashamed taking to work. I do work at a daycare and I do take my kiddos, but I kind of feel bad like when I take like snack bags and I just use them for like grapes or like little cookies or something like that. So I bought these containers, that way I can use them and the kids can use them, and I won't feel silly if I take a PJ Masks container with like a little snack for myself. So I got these. It comes in a bundle of 4. It did used to come with 3, but now it's a bundle of 4, and it's a 16.5 fluid ounce container, which is like 2 cups. I got some Assured pain relievers, PM. These I've been getting I've been buying these since as long as I can remember, since I was like in like high school. I would always like take these or the regular ones. I just got these because they're like 24 tablets. They do have gel ones, but it comes with 10. So I just always get these because they have more. Oh, I'll get the Advil ones because it comes with like 30, but they're like the tiny little red ones. But I feel like these are like, they do the job. I don't feel drowsy even though it says like PM. I take them during the day and I don't feel drowsy. So I think that's a big plus. I also got the kids some children's pain relief because that day I was going to get them their shots. Well, only Junior got shots. He got like 4, 5. Pobrecito mi baby. But it's compared to the children's Tylenol oral suppression. I was running low on their Motrin, so that's why I was looking for this, and thankfully they have a children's one. I'm gonna give it a try. Hopefully it does them well. Also got a USB car charger because I lost my husband's. He did buy a new one, but just to have on hand. You never know when you're gonna need it when you're traveling or whatnot. And then the last thing that I got were these 20 count of natural Celine. I don't know if that's how you pronounce the word, but I'm gonna stick with it. I got these Celine Smooth nose wipes because I was gonna get the boogie wipes, but they just come with 10, so I thought this was a better deal. And they do feel like a very, like, I know it kind of sounds silly that it like feels like moisturizing, but it like feels like very like smooth. And I mean, I haven't, let me see how it feels. Like they feel smoother than like baby wipes, but I think these will be good to have on hand, especially with my little kiddos that are sick right now. I literally had to come home today because Junior had a fever of 102.4. So I'm definitely carrying those. And this is going to come to test today. So check out my next video and see if this worked out. My sister, this is where my sister comes in. She started buying them like little Halloween stuff because they were just picking at it, and then she was like, oh, okay, I'll get it for you, baby. And I was like, bro, you don't have to get them stuff. Just like get them like chips and that's it. But she insisted. She got them 2 of these. These are supposed to be like decorating your sidewalk or your driveway because it has like stakes and, you know, you light it up and all that. But I'm probably gonna buy them 2 more because they've been like swinging at each other and hitting each other with them. So they kind of like don't even work no more. But I feel like getting them some of these. That way we can charge them with the sun the day before Halloween, and then they can use it to like use it as their like flashlight or something, instead of buying like the little glow in the dark sticks because they like them, but then they don't work like the next day. She also got them like these 2 little LED candles. They do change colors. This one comes with like 2 faces. The skull one only comes with 1. And they did have a purple like sugar skull candy one. That's my sister got that one, but she got a pumpkin one for the boys and then a skull one too. And then as well, she got them these. They're kind of like a little pottery craft, and it comes with paint and a little brush. I thought it would be a cute project for them to do, as well as these, because she also got them like these little wood stickers, and I want them like to paint them like, you know, like on this sheet, and then I'll just stick them like on a picture frame, or make them do like their own picture frame, and then for Halloween I'll just take the picture and give it to the grandparents as a present or whatever. She also got him these. I don't know if she got like, are you okay?
Okay.
Okay. She also got him like these color in United States map like sheets. It comes with 2, like one with the names and then one with how like the plane looks, like if it has rocks or it's like fields or trees or whatever. It came with like 10 of those, and they had to cook with these when they were at their grandparents' house. They're just coloring everywhere. Well, let me just show you the socks since I had them in my hand. She got them these pairs of socks. It came with just both of them in one packet. It says like a boss in gray and white, and then this one's just chillin'. Let me put them right there. Just chillin', and they're like gray and white too, just vice versa. And since Junior saw us put our stuff in our carts, he went ahead and picked up this box, and he was putting all the stuff that his aunt was getting him in here. But yeah, that's all the stuff that I got from Dollar Tree. I'm kind of happy to have them start doing some like Halloween crafts and all that stuff. And then I kind of needed for sure like these and these to add to my bag, because I want to do a what's in my bag, and I kind of feel ratchet or ghetto just using like napkins or their wipes. So I went ahead and got these to see if it would help them like get less irritation on their nose with just like napkins from like fast food places or from home. I mean, I do use their wipes, but I mean their wipes are for their butt, not for their nose. And then what parent doesn't need these at the end of the day or in the beginning of the day to get you ready for the day? But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. I really want to do like decorate with me fall, but I've just been working. I hate 9 to 5, but well, actually I just hate working, period. But something that you gotta do, you gotta do it, you gotta do it. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.